Sam was not just my friend, he was my student, my best student, and I never minded sharing what I knew. Not until that day.
Sam! That was perfect! Everyone, look at Sam. That is how you kick the ball.
But I taught him that. I showed Sam how to kick. Ben, did you hear? Coach said my kick was perfect. Like this, Sam. You turn your foot a little. Not too much. Just a little. Like this? Yes. Now kick. Softly at first. I cannot do it. My foot feels wrong. Do not worry. I will show you again. Watch me. You see? The secret is in your foot. You turn it. Just a little. Just a little. Okay. Let me try. I did it! I did it, Ben! I knew you could do it. You just needed practice. You are the best friend, Ben. The best. Me too. I mean, Ack. You too.
Everyone, listen. We have a match this Saturday. I need one player to show the team how to kick. Sam, come here. Show everyone your kick, Sam. That is it. Did everyone see that? Sam has the best kick on the team.
Hooray! Wow, Sam. You are so good. Can you show me that kick later? That is my kick. I taught him. And now everyone looks at Sam. Nobody looks at me. Ben, where are you going? One photo. One card. That is all it takes to be forgotten. Ben, that was so fun. Coach said I can help with the warm-up on Saturday. Can you believe it? Good for you. Ben? Is something wrong?
Nothing. You are the star now. Everyone said it.
What does star mean? Star means the most important person. The one everyone watches. But you are important too. You taught me that kick. I tried to tell Coach, but he was feared. It does not matter. It matters to me.
Hey, Ben. Rough practice, huh?
I do not want to talk about it.
I get it more than you think. 2 seasons ago, Coach used to call Emmy the best kicker. Then a new player came. Now nobody remembers my name either.
Sam is my best friend.
Best friends still take your spotlight, Ben. You taught him everything. Does he even say your name when people praise him? Or does he just smile and take it?
Maybe you do not need to share your spotlight with anyone. Maybe you keep it for yourself next time.
Why does my stomach feel hot? It is like a fire, a small fire, but it will not go away.
I taught him. I showed him. Day after day. And now Ton? Nobody remembers.
Jealous. I think that is the word. Jealous means you feel angry because someone else has something good, and I feel it. Right here.
Yesterday we were laughing. Today he will not even look at me. What did I do?
Maybe being good at something is a bad thing. Maybe if I kick badly again, Ben will come back. I do not want a trophy more than I want my friend. I would give the trophy back if I could have Ben back instead.
Ben, you have not touched your plate. Is everything all right at practice?
I am not hungry.
You used to talk about Sam every single day. We have not heard his name in a week.
Can we please not talk about Sam? Ben, I saved you a place. I am not hungry. But you always eat lunch. Come sit. Please. Hey, Sam. Where is Ben? You two are always together. I do not know. I think he is angry at me. Why would he be angry? You kicked so well yesterday.
Big news! Our team is invited to the City Youth Tournament next month. We need a captain. Someone who leads the warm-up, who the team looks up to.
It has to be Sam, obviously.
I have not decided yet. Practice hard this week, everyone.
Ben, wait! Please wait! I have been thinking all day. I know what is wrong. You are jealous. I am not jealous. I am not jealous. It is okay to feel jealous. Everyone feels it sometimes. But please, Hao, do not be angry at me. I did not ask Coach to say those things.
You did not stop him either. You stood there. You smiled. You liked it.
I smiled because I was happy. Happy that I could kick well. Happy because Yaoyu taught me. I wanted you to be proud. Proud? Why would I be proud? Nobody even looked at me. Bentu?
Faster! Sharper passes.
Sam.
What happened? Why was that pass so hard?
I do not know. Samnay, I am sorry about the pass. I did not mean Khan.
You did not mean it. I know. You never mean it. But it still happens.
I just dotty. Coach told us to pass harder, and I was not even thinking, and...
Stop making excuses, Ben. Just say sorry. A real sorry. Not an excuse hiding inside a sorry.
I am trying. I am trying.
Trying is not the same as sorry.
He was my best friend. My only best friend. And now he hates me. Now he even hurts me, and he cannot even...
Sam? Are you in here?
Go away, Ben. Please.
Sam. Your voice, Tay. You have been crying.
It does not matter. You do not want to be my friend anymore. You said it. I am the star.
No. The star is not alone. The star has a friend who was too jealous to be happy for him. A friend who hurt him without even meaning to, and then tried to fix it the wrong way, with excuses instead of truth.
What did you say?
I was jealous. So jealous that I could not see what was right in front of me. You. My best friend. And then my jealousy made me careless. That pass, I was not even looking at you. And when I tried to say sorry, I made it about me again. It hurt so much, Ben. More than any kick. More than falling down. When you walked away, say, it hurt here. I know. My jealousy hurt you, and now I feel something worse than jealousy. I feel like the worst friend in the world. What is that word? The word for feeling bad about what you did? Guilty. It means you know you did something wrong, and it hurts inside. I felt guilty too. I thought maybe I should have told Coach. Maybe I should have said me. Ben taught me. Ben showed me. But I was too shy. You do not need to say anything to Coach. You just need to kick. That is your gift. My gift is teaching. I forgot that, and I let someone else convince me that sharing was the same as losing. Someone else? It does not matter now. It was my choice, not his. Do you still want to be my friend?
Me too. You mean like, me too?
Me too. For everything you said. I want to be your friend too. Come on, let us go home. I will walk with you slowly. Your ankle needs time.
Together? Together.
Sam, you are up first.
Did you see? It went straight. I saw. It was perfect.
Not perfect. Just a good kick. You are the one who taught me. Friends do not keep score. They share the spotlight.
What is spotlight?
Spotlight means the light that shines on the star. But the best light is the one you share.
I like that. Shared spotlight. That feels better.
Me too.
I told you to keep the spotlight for yourself. Why are you cheering for him like that?
Because a good teacher does not need the spotlight. He just needs his student to shine. I learned that the hard way.
Ben, Sam, you both did so well. I feel proud.
Thank you, Mom. We did it together. Together is better.
I learned something that season. Being someone's teacher does not mean you disappear when they shine. It means part of their light is yours too.
Finding a true friend is more important than any game you'll ever play. What really matters isn't the big spotlight, it's having a true friend by your side. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed our story, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.